Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 out of 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the stock indice review for the 27th of February, and I'm going to start off with our selects from yesterday. Was DRB. We had a $1,340 gain, buy at the open, sell at the close. I now have a table that does give me a running total for all the ones that I pick and select as part of the stock indices, and then it totals up with a running total all the way to the end of the day in the close. GDXD was a $9 loss overall. LabD was a $133 gain on 1,000 shares. SCO was a $270 gain on 1,000 shares. SDOW was a $429 gain on 1,000 shares. SPXU was a $230 gain on 1,000 shares. SRTY was a $560 gain on 1,000 shares. TBT was a bad tick. It was actually break even for the day. TZA was a $390 gain on 1,000 shares. And WebS was a $480 gain on 1,000 shares. Which gives us a total of $3,743 on 1,000 shares for the greens. Now for the yellows. For Berts, we got a $420 gain on 1,000 shares. DRIP, we had a $110 loss on 1,000 shares. FAS, we had a $380 gain on 1,000 shares. FNGD was actually zero. This was a bad tick. SOXS was a $620 gain on 1,000 shares. SQQQ was $470 gain on 1,000 shares. And TechS was a $480 gain on 1,000 shares, which gives us a total for the day of $6,003.90. Not bad for these picks. Kind of want to go over the overall market. DXY looks down from its overall Z3 excursion, and also this looks very bearish. We'll see if it continues to go up to the upside. It's following along the 200 on the 30-minute, and we'll see if it continues to go up. If it goes up, the markets will go down. If it goes down, the markets will go up, like it did today in pre-market. We have PMI numbers on Wednesday that should be significant in terms of overall market direction. Gold is about break even at about $18.16 an ounce, and gold went down significantly for the past couple of weeks, and today a little rebound, but for the most part, it's still to the downside. And we do have an overall Z3 excursion at 1805.88. We're at the bottom out here. We're here 1802.32 on the daily, right here. Once it touches this, then this is an area of liquidity. NASDAQ is down. Natural gas has been up for the past 4 days. Interesting rebound here. We now have buy movement. We're also above the dragon on the daily. So this moves in to the buy category for oil. S&P 500 is still down, and we're still around the testing of the 200. Russell 2000, same thing. What we have here, which is kind of ominous, is a head and shoulders with a dead cat bounce. This could go all the way down to the 200, which is at 1824. The Dow is getting close to its overall support levels at the RL270 and the 200. Still in downward pressure mode, but we do have what is forming to be this giant M formation. And if that's the case, it'll go all the way down to this Z3 excursion here. If this support level doesn't hold, it's going to be a monster correction with at least this much in terms of range to the downside, probably to these levels here. So the picks for tomorrow are SCO, DRB. Yellows we have Boyle, GDXD, SPXU, FAS, Defense, WebS, SDOW, TBT, TNA, URTY. So for the first indicator, I'm pretty confident about SCO and DRB. Oil just started its momentum upwards, and as you can see on the 30-minute, continues to move up and up and up. And that's over the past 3 days. What concerns me is the daily volume, still to the negative. We'll see. GDXD is yellow, but still strong overall, and all indications are strong. SPXU is also strong overall. FAS as well. Defense, only concern here is it's below the dragon. May not pick that one tomorrow. WebS is still strong the past 2 days. Also SDOW, it's got a target here at the RL270. PVT is also strong. It's nice, forming a nice good old J-hook formation all the way up to potentially the RL270. TNA is below the dragon. We'll not trade that tomorrow. And URTY is the same thing, though the initial momentum is to the upside. I'm also going to be taking a look at LabD, TZA, and SRTY. We still have significant room to the upside on these dailies here. Overall bias is to the downside, even though the market seems to be melting up as far as the overall production. We'll see what happens on Wednesday. But folks, that's all I have for the stock indice review. If you're interested in some of these strategies or programming in PineScript or Python, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.